Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and we are going to tackle another drawer in my Alex drawer units here. This is more of a tidy up slash I got a little bit of overflow that I don't know what I'm going to do with. So this first drawer looks really good, right? So I just have these two trays on either side, so a total of 4 trays in here of all my little mini ink cubes. I can easily pull these out, take them to my desk, and really easily accessible. I love these trays, love them. So I have that drawer, which looks good. It's this drawer that needs a little TLC. So I have 2 additional trays here, and as you can see, they are full, which means that these have ended up in here. Now, I don't have enough cubes to fill 2 trays, but I have these other inks. I don't know. I think I might need to purge some of these, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is, well, what I've already done is I purchased more of these trays. So those are definitely going to go in here, at least one of them. And I'm going to tidy up all the ones that I want to keep and maybe do a test on the ones that I want to get rid of. So in a matter of moments, you're going to see how this all played out. Okay, so this is what the second drawer is looking like. These were the 2 that were originally over here. I just moved over to this side. This has all the small cubes and an empty drawer or an empty tray. And I did that deliberately. Well, I have more inks than that are necessary. Like, this is actually ridiculous. Knowing myself, and knowing the fact that I signed up for classes, there's a good chance I'll end up with more Concord and 9th and Altenew at some point. And who knows if the other lines bring out new colors or not. So I'm going to leave that for expansion. But that means I need to find room for all those other inks that were in here. So let me show you where I'm at with those. Okay, I had a 3rd tray, and I thought this actually worked pretty well to display and sort them so they don't jiggle around in the drawer. And then the only other thing I had left were the 2 color box chalk. And I actually am not going to get rid of any because they all are still juicy and I like the colors. So a lot of these are pigment ink or specialty ink pads like the ombre. So this tray I don't use nearly as much as those other ones, but I do still need to find a space for it, and it's going to be one of the Alex drawers that has stuff in it. So this is my embossing drawer. I am thinking that this is going to get moved out and I'm going to put the inks in here, or rather I will just shuffle this all around. But this is a whole project in and of itself, and I don't really want to pull everything off just to put that one tray. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the one tray for now. Realize, of course, that this is not done. It's just put on hold until, you know, the whole domino effect takes place and I end up with an empty spot. So this is my Calyx unit that I store all my stamps in here. Sorry for the shadows, it's late at night. I had bought these inserts in here. I don't know how well you can see these. Let me see if I can go down. They're really simple, just 2 pieces of MDF and then pegs, and I can add a shelf. And I did this to maximize the Calyx unit. So normally I store like project stuff on it, but I figured this is a good holding place for these inks. They slide in and out, and who knows, maybe they'll end up here indefinitely. This is also where I put the extra tray with my sequins and stuff in there, if you watched my previous videos dealing with that. So this is becoming a holding station until I get this sorted out. So that is going to be it for this episode. I know it wasn't too terribly exciting, but I think any progress is progress, and baby steps will lead to big results over a period of time. So that's my encouragement for you today. Even if you just get something small done in your space, eventually you will get where you need to go. So for now, this is what my small ink cube storage is looking like. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, happy organizing.